Planning a move is a big job. Planning a wedding is a big job. Doing both at the same time can feel overwhelming, but the good news is that with some organization, you can keep everything on track without losing your mind. Let's look at a few simple tips that make a huge difference. The first step is timing. Set a clear timeline for both the move and the wedding so you know what needs to happen each month. Try to avoid scheduling your move right before the wedding day. Giving yourself a cushion helps you stay calm and deal with surprises more easily. Next, communication is key. Sit down with your partner and decide who handles what. Maybe one of you manages wedding vendors while the other handles movers and packing. Sharing responsibilities keeps the workload balanced and prevents last-minute stress. Budgeting is another important part. Moves and weddings both come with unexpected costs, so plan ahead. Make a list of priority expenses for each and look for places where you can save. For example, packing some things on your own can cut moving costs, and choosing certain wedding dates or venues can help reduce expenses. When it comes to the actual move, stay organized. Pack early, label everything, and keep important wedding items like outfits, accessories, and documents separate so they do not get misplaced in the moving boxes. Do not forget to take breaks. It is easy to get caught up in the to-do lists, but make time for things that help you relax. A walk, a short date night, or even a quiet dinner at home can help both of you stay centered. Handling a move and a wedding at the same time is a challenge, but with planning and teamwork, you can make the experience smoother and even enjoyable. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.